Hello viewers, let's create a WhatsApp group and assign rights or disable rights. So to create group, click three dots, now new group, and now you can scroll down and select the members or go and search, type the name of the contact and then another one and then another one, and then click this arrow. So after this group would become active. Now give it a proper name. So let me name it, as well as you can off disappearing messages in case of educational institution group. It's better you keep it off. Now click this tick mark. It's done. Now let me send any XYZ to members so they may read it, they can give reply. Add description is to show the purpose of your group, so better description and click OK. You can also send invitation through group or click on the group name when it open and then scroll down till almost and group permission, open it, and now send message off this button. So now admin can send documents, message, etc. and member rights have been disabled of replying. So through this way you can keep the data volume specific and light or more directed. Thanks for watching.